There is this tendency in us to quit learning something which is very, very fundamental and mainstream just because it is so mainstream. For example, let's talk about a distributed system like Kafka. In Kafka, you get to hear these terms like producers, brokers, zookeeper, consumers, and all sorts of things. It is a very matured and highly acceptable system. Now, let's talk about a very fundamental concept of producer-consumers problem. Have you heard about it? I'm sure you might have heard about it in your operating system textbooks. Somebody who has ever implemented producer-consumer problem by creating multiple producer threads, consumer threads, sharing a shared buffer across them, will be able to appreciate Kafka architecture in much more detail, I can say. But in general, people skip these things and directly jump onto high-end in-demand systems. This ensures that your foundation is weak. Every complicated system sits on top of some simple computer science fundamental concepts. So before learning low-level design or machine coding, you should be good at OOPS. You should be good at basic design principles, and you should be good at concurrency concepts. Before learning high-level design, you should have proper understanding of operating systems, databases, computer networks. Skipping these will land you in trouble at some point of time. So the recommended way is to first build a firm grasp over computer science fundamentals and then move on to these concepts.